So, last week, lockdown fatigue really set in. So, what did we decide to do? Put our house on the market. As you can see from the front, we got some lovely, dodgy 70s tiles that were apparently fashionable. There's some shrubbery around the front and a carport behind the driveway or in front of the driveway. For those of you who've ever had a carport, you'll know that they're pretty impractical when it comes to actually getting out of a car, especially if you have any shopping. When we went into the house, you've got a gas fire, which we needed to take out. You've got some lovely flowery wallpaper, an old-fashioned archway, which led into what would be a dining room with a window at the end. There was a small kitchen through the door, which there was no room to even swing a cat. Not that we were doing much cat swinging, but it wasn't very practical for making any breakfast or dinner either. When you go up the stairs, some pretty dodgy carpet on the floor, mostly a sandpaper effect. I'm not sure if that was the way they marketed it, but there was a sandpaper effect as you walked anywhere in the house. Into the main bedroom, what we noticed first was that there is absolutely zero storage space. Second bedroom, nice little space, but very basic. Again, all of these ceilings, I'm not sure if you can see from the pictures, but they were Artex ceilings as well. The bathroom, this is an absolute speciality, throwback. And to make matters even worse, when we bought it, the previous owners or whoever was looking after it thought it was a really great idea to freshen it up by painting all of the tiles with matte coat in white. Didn't really work, it's fair to say. Third bedroom, well, we don't have any kids, and I'm not sure of a fully grown human who could sleep on that bed. And then looking at the outside, the thing that you'll notice hopefully on the video afterwards is that we have got rid of this in and out mix matched brick wall. Video's coming up next, guys. Hope you like it.